Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find the deleted photos on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, previously if you have deleted the many photos and you want to recover some of them, but you do not know how you can find deleted photos. Previously, if you have another version of iOS and now you have installed the latest version iOS 18, now if you want to look for deleted photos and you want to recover all deleted photos, so how you can find that deleted photos. So hope you have to watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to simply scroll it down and you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now you have to make sure that your deleted photos are not longer than the 30 days, because there are 30 days timer for the deleted photos that can be deleted automatically. So you have to make sure that photos are not older than the 30 days. After that, your photos will be deleted and you will not be able to recover that. So now if you want to find deleted photos, then you have to simply open the photos in iOS 18. After that, you have to scroll it down all the way down on your photos, and after that you will be able to find here recently deleted photos album, and here you have to simply click on view album and you can find the deleted photos. Here you can simply find all of your deleted photos, and you can also see that there are written 29 days, which means I have deleted that two photos one day before. So if the 30 days have been passed and you want to recover that photos, then here is written photos and video show the days remaining before the deletion. After that time, item will be permanently deleted. So here you can simply find all the deleted photos and videos, but you have to make sure about that it not has been 30 days to that photos or videos, and you want to recover. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.